Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. كيف حالكم؟ الحمد لله. Okay, Bismillah. You had some homework to do. 5.3 and 5.4. I want you just to take 5 minutes in your groups quickly, just to mark your work between yourselves. Just take 5 minutes, just to mark your work between yourselves, and just see where people got stuck, perhaps, or if your answers should match. This is an exact science, so your answers should be all the same, inshallah. So take a few minutes just to mark 5.3 and 5.4. Okay, let's just go through one and two answers. Let's go through one and two answers, and we can see how you did. Where is this one here? Okay, so no one of that now. So first of all, let's go to page 42. I'm not going to go through a long explanation because I have to move, inshallah. But let's Bismillah. Let's read on page 4, exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3, number 1. It reads, let's read together. ذهب الولد الكبير من البيت الصغير إلى المسجد الكبير. Translation? Okay, ذهب الولد الكبير, the big boy went from the small house to the big masjid. So walad is the fa'il, kabir is describing who did the action, min harful jar, after min al-bayti ismul majroor, as-saghiri is sifa describing the bayt, ila harful jar, after harful jar always comes what? Ismul majroor. And al-kabiri is describing the masjid. Number 2. Let's read number 2 together. ذهب all together. ذهب الرجال إلى المدرسة الصغيرة في المدينة الكبيرة. ذهب means what? Went. Who went? Not the man. الرجال. The men. Plural of رجل. الرجال, the men went. The men went from where? Nothing? Really? Okay, so we'll show that now. Okay. Quick summary and then some new work, inshallah. Quick summary, then some new work. How many types of jumlas are? You're with me? There's a summary of what we are so far. 2 sentences. Give me the one sentence name. A jumlatul ismiya, another one. A jumlatul ismiya and a jumlatul fi'liya. Let's start quickly with jumlatul fi'liya. Jumlatul fi'liya is a verb-based sentence. Whenever you have a verb, you have jumlatul fi'liya. For example, nasara ar-rajulu al-walada. What are the parts we're looking for there? The verb, we got the verb right, jumlatul fi'liya. What do we have next? What are you looking for? The fa'il, the doer. What hal will the doer always be in? Always raf'un. What's the other part we're looking for? Maf'ulun bihi. Who the action was done to? What hal will it be in? Nasbun. Then we have al-jumlatul ismiya. What are the 2 parts? You shouldn't have to think about it. What's the 2 parts? Mubtada and khabar. Like ar-rajulu tawilun. What's the mubtada here? Ar-rajulu. It's the focus of the sentence, and khabar is what? News about it. Okay. So those are 2 sentences. Then we get 4 fragments we're going to do this year. Did we do any so far? Did we? Give me a name of them. We did something called Mawsoof and Sifa. Give me example of Mawsoof and Sifa. Arabic example. Al-waladu what? Al-waladu al-kabiru. Give me another one. Give me one. Al-binta. Al-binta as-saghirata, the small girl. Give me one with baytun. Baytun kabirun. Everything kabirun, saghirun, tawilun. Okay. Give me one with muslimani. Okay, muslimani, salihani, two pious Muslims. Good. So simple thing there. Sifa mawsuf is two words. The mawsuf is the word being described, and sifa is the description. The sifa follows the mawsuf in terms of jend, except for the exception. What is the next one? Harful jar and ismul majroor. Give me some examples of harful jar, huruful jar. Give me the 5 that are single letters. What's the first 5? Pita walika. It's not a Bollywood movie. It's the first 5 huruful jar. Pita walika. Give me some more. Fi, ala, ila, an, hatta, min. Okay. What's the rule of harful jar? What does harful jar do? Makes the ism majroor. Which ism? What does the harful jar do? It makes what? The next word, the next ism makes it into what? It makes it into jar. So can I say fil madinatu? No. Can I say fil madinata? What must I say? Can I say ilal muslimuna? Oh. Can I say ilal muslimuna? What do I have to say? Ilal muslimina. You with me? Can I say min Ibrahima? Okay, this is confuse you a bit there. Okay, so basically simple. A harful jar makes the next word into jar. What do you call that next word? Ismul majroor. So on your tongue it must go together. Harful jar, ismul majroor. Harful jar, ismul majroor. That ism will be in jar. And we just remember to have a little rule there that some words in Arabic can't take a kasra, a at the end. Like names of anbiya, some female names, some plurals also can't take a kasra. But don't worry about it. You just know that some of them can't take a kasra. So how many are left? 2. So you're almost there. There's 2 left. So today we're going to do a new one called Mudafun and Mudafun Ilayhi. Let's all say it together. Okay. So you're going to first try to teach yourself. So you're going to get into your groups and you're going to do number 6.1. So 6.1 is what? They have a few with answers there. You're going to translate, you're going to look at the answers, look for patterns, and then you try to do from number 7 till 11. So 6.1, look at number 1 to 6, try to see the patterns, try to list what are the rules, the patterns, what do you find that's strange, what do you find in common, and then you can try to do from 7 till 11. So Bismillah, in your groups, do we have our tutors here? Or the tutoring?